What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We are headed to pick up my next build, which should be a giveaway bike. Thanks for everybody that entered the 110 giveaway. It was a little better than I expected, and I've notified the winners and we're getting everything sorted. Sorry I haven't put too many updates up there yet on who won, because I didn't know with confidentiality and all that stuff. But anyways, next build I'm really excited about. I literally found it on Craigslist like a couple weeks ago. Been talking to the guys here and there. Let them know that I was going to be filming when I come pick it up. Sounded super interesting, definitely a character, so I'm kind of excited to meet him. I got my brother holding the bigger camera, and then I brought my little vlog camera to get a couple different perspectives on buying this thing and see what these guys are all about, see if we can talk them down. Their price was a little high. Hopefully we can get them down to a more reasonable number so that we can not break the bank on this build, because it's something I've been wanting to do for a while. I know you guys have been really interested in seeing one, so yeah, we're pulling up right now, so let's see what these guys are all about. Oh my god. What are we walking into right now? You wouldn't give me a name either. You just said senior. Oh boy.
You guys got a lighter?
What's that?
Hey buddy, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm alright. Have a good day.
Your friend okay?
Junior. Hey. What's going on, partner?
Yeah, we talked about the 125, right?
Yep, yeah, it's right over here. If you want to take a look, yeah, be careful, my junior.
What's Junior? Junior and senior? Yeah, it was a good Sunday, huh?
Here, yeah, I'm gonna have to take that off the bike, but
It's where it stays, it's where it lives.
yeah, I pretty much put it here. We put a fence around it, hooked it up to the alarm on the house. We can go in. You want to check out the house? Do a lap through. The girls are getting ready in the back. We're getting ready to go to dinner tonight. A lot of money and time into racing, taking Junior down around. We've been going racing since, you know, a couple of years.
Yeah.
And my neighbor over here, I convinced him to stop watering his grass. We were gonna put in a start line. Can't see it, it's behind the motor. We're gonna start practicing starts and stuff, and we figured we're gonna build a big race team.
The 2009, right?
Yeah, this is the same bike that McGrath won back in '97, first championship.
He had it in 97?
Yeah.
That's 09?
Yeah, we bought it brand new.
Brand new?
So what do you want to know about the bike, partner?
Well, have you done any work? What's the backstory?
Well, yeah, we done work, but hey, you've seen us on the newspapers and stuff, buddy. I can tell you. I've got custom twin walls on this bike. We downsized it because I didn't want to do a modification on the grips.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I've done that too. We used to do that a lot actually in racing.
Yep. Race bike. Got a full.
Do you ride yourself?
Used to.
You used to ride?
Yep. I've been training Junior. This is a hard sport if you actually really get into it.
Yeah.
You'll learn, man. You're gonna learn on this bike too. I was gonna hang this up on the wall, but then we decided.
I don't blame you. It's a nice looking bike.
Yeah. Can have Junior do a display for you out in the front.
Yeah, let's see. It runs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Starts.
I was gonna rebuild it anyways, but if it runs,
She starts like 5th or 6th kick. You just gotta punch it hard. Junior, get up. Show them the bike, bud.
Yeah, I got the.
Get your boots. Put on your racing boots, buddy. You keep it up, act like a punk. I ain't gonna.
Kid. You almost ready? You gonna take it for a little ride?
Yeah. Junior, you ready, buddy? That boy, go show him, buddy. Let him know how it's done out here. We're gonna do a preview. I'll let him do a couple starts, and you can see the power band. Come on. Hell yeah. Hey, do a 5th gear start like I showed you. You know, buddy, if you do a 5th gear start, offline.
Yeah, you're not gonna waste time shifting.
You ain't gotta waste time shifting. You just go straight from the start all the way down the first turn. It's a long one. Shift it, Junior. Damn it. Making me look like a punk out here. Buddy. Yeah. Oh, buddy. Oh, you stepped it. Dog shit.
Let's talk numbers. It looks good. It looks clean.
Used to have a stabilizing device because when Junior was young, I put him on this when he was, I don't know, about 9 or 10. And he couldn't go, the bike started dancing around down the straights. And, hey, Chad, Give me a 6-pack. God damn it, boy still owes me. I sold him a bike last, still hasn't paid me for it, but we put it on Goodwill. It's my neighbor.
All right. So what's asking price on this thing?
I had it up for 10, but I'd probably get rid of it for 9,800 or
98.
Yeah, what do you?
It's a little steep. I was thinking more like $1,500.
If it's cash, it's fine by me, but
You
parts
can treat
off.
Junior and the wife to a nice dinner.
Yeah.
I'll
That'd be real nice.
talk $2,000.
Okay. Yeah. You got. Hey. Make yourself a deal, brother. I appreciate it. Yeah.
You been drinking? What's he doing?
He's only 14. You better not.
You mind if I sit on it?
I'll go
check it out.
Yeah, get adjusted and make sure you're feeling good on the bike. Son of a bitch fell for the oldest trick in the book, boy. I'll tell you, that's be another 500 on top.
500 extra?
It's a good prank and joke. Good factory suspension.
Yeah, it feels like McGrath setup.
Yep.
Yeah, you can tell.
Yep. I haven't changed the thing on since when we bought it.
No?
Nope.
Sick. You do this pipe yourself?
Yeah. If you keep the stock one, they say it's better bottom end and top end. You don't got to change oil as much.
Was this custom red, or did you get this?
Yeah, we did a hard anodized spray paint that I got. My buddy makes it.
Sweet. What ratio you running the gas for? You've been running? I
Just 50-50 split.
50-50. Okay.
Matter, but I
50, so you're 50 oil, 50.
Yeah, it depends. My buddy gets red dye diesel for really cheap.
Okay.
So he runs a tractor equipment machinery,
Yeah.
and he gives me a really good deal. So we get it by the barrel.
It sounded good.
Yep.
Yeah.
Sometimes we're
That's
out of gas. Junior's got race, RC cars, so we put nitro in it sometimes. When you race motorcycles for real, it takes a lot of energy out of you, man.
You guys just have a race yesterday or Saturday. You in Detroit?
Today was Monday. Yep. I think we were there. When was it?
Yesterday.
No, I was here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, sweet. Well, yeah, thanks for working numbers with me. And
Yeah. Let me know if you got any questions. You got my cell phone
you got
number?
the pink slip?
I don't think so. Oh, maybe. I don't know. I got to check my paperwork files and
Yeah,
stuff.
you can find it.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I can fax it or something. Yeah,
fax it.
Send it to you.
Okay, cool.
Check in the mail. I didn't steal this bike.
What do you do with the money? You got a Sizzler?
Yeah, I'm going to go to Sizzler's the first time. I've been wanting to go for a while.
Yeah.
And there's another Mongolian barbecue.
You seem more like a
place.
tilted kilt kind of guy to me.
Yeah, but I can tilt a kilt.
I don't
If you
doubt
ever
that.
want practicing, just give your boy a call.
I got your number now.
Yeah, you do. Tell you flex. Go for a ride. Have some fun, my man.
I will. I'll enjoy this thing.
Yeah. Check the timing.
Timing?
Yeah, check.
It's got timing belt or timing chain?
I'm not 100% sure, but it's got something that times the motor to make
Okay.
sure it runs right.
Well, I'll check that.
Yeah.
You got a tool, a specific tool for that, or is it just
Just usually use a hammer. Smack
hammer?
the side.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is that one right there?
Yeah. This is my hammer. That's how I work on it. It's got a V-reed force for the injection. This one broke. We used a screw to kind of put it together, but this doesn't matter. Honestly, if you take this off, show you some weight.
Yeah. That's the race setting right there.
You ever raced or?
No. Yeah, my first bike. I never really raced before,
Nice,
but I
buddy.
think this one will
Well, if you want, I can
finally
come.
earn some podium juice, if you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, hell yeah. I'll come and wrench.
You will?
Yep. I don't have.
Junior not gonna be upset about that?
Mm,
No.
nope. Nope. He'll come. We'll hang out. Have some fun at the races, buddy.
All right, sweet. Well, pleasure doing business with you. And
Yeah,
I'll bring some cash and pick this thing up tomorrow.
Yep. Sounds good, partner. Gonna be on YouTube. Check it out. Yeah, like and subscribe. Follow me.